This Easter, when it comes to dessert, we've got you covered with Patisserie's chocolate baked cheesecake. We're making chocolate nests with mini-speckled Easter eggs. I love Easter, and the kids love it too, especially the Easter eggs. We have to keep hiding them, or they'll eat them all before we get to Easter. So, let's get started. You will need 2 pieces of foil. Gently crunch the foil into a ball, about the size of a golf ball. Then flatten the ball so that it sits firmly on your cutting board, making sure that you've greased the board first. The kids will love this dessert. If you are serving more cheesecake, just make more. We're making 2. Okay, sorry, that was inappropriate. Now the dark chocolate in a bowl and microwave in 45-second intervals until all the chocolate has melted completely. Look at that, a foodie emoji created by my editor. Now quit playing on my page and back to editing my footage, please. Now place your bowl of melted chocolate to one side of your workspace, and in another bowl, fill with cold water. And when I say cold, I mean kind of cold. Otherwise, this won't work. You'll also need scissors, a tablespoon, a drinking glass, and a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, use any small sandwich bag. Now, with your glass, hang on, let me make some space. Take your piping bag or sandwich bag and place in and over your glass. And with your tablespoon, spoon all the melted chocolate into your piping bag. And here's a close-up of my fingers for those of you who delight in being nasty about them. Take a real good look. Are you done? Aw, good. Now back to the piping bag. Gently shake and squeeze the chocolate down into the bottom of the tip, and then twist the remaining piping bag until the piping bag becomes a firm cone shape. That's it. Using scissors, snip the bottom of the piping bag. Don't snip too much or the chocolate will fall out in blobs. And now for the fun part. Squeezing gently, scribble into the cold Icelandic water bowl. Just like that, making sure you crisscross the chocolate in the water. This will prevent it from breaking. Gently splash water over the chocolate scribbles or gently immerse them under the water to ensure the scribbles solidify. Remove from the water and cup the chocolate nest over the foil ball. That's how you'll form the shape. Now repeat with the second nest. Once your 2 first layers are done, we need a second layer of chocolate scribbles for each nest. And as you place the second layer over the first, drizzle additional chocolate over the entire nest so as to glue the 2 layers together and give it that extra strength. And when done, refrigerate and bring out only when you're ready to serve. We are ready to serve, so bring out the thawed chocolate baked cheesecake slices. And it's plating time. Let's bring out the nests from the fridge, gently remove the foil balls from the chocolate nests, and place your nests onto the slices of baked cheesecake. Ah, look at that. How cool is that? Now, add your cream speckled eggs, 2 in the nest and 1 on the base of each slice. And your Easter dessert is ready. Now, who's dressing up as the Easter Bunny? Because I ain't doing it. I did it last year and the year before, and those kids get really nasty.